Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So I am so excited for this project today. This is a 3D ornament made with epoxy, and it turned out so good. So I picked these molds up from Amazon. It came with, I think, 5 different molds, and look how cute this is. Now I will say this little tab piece here on the bottom, I had a challenge because, filling it to the just regular rim, it's a little bit wider than the holes to fit in, but I did use UV resin to put it together so it was still fine. So I would probably try and not fill those feet pieces, quite as full if possible. But I am loving this. This just turned out so adorable. I think this is my favorite DIY ornament ever. So cute. So if you'd like to see me put this together, then, just keep watching and we'll make it. And I hope you like it. I am in absolute love. All right. I'll see you later, friends, and have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye. All right, so we are going to make this 3D ornament. These came from Amazon. I will put a link in the description. And it came with several, different ones, right? So this is really, really cool. So you're going to put your epoxy in this piece and this piece. So this circle is like the main base, and then this piece is the base that is going to hold this piece and this piece. So when these are done, this should fit in here, this should fit in here, and it will hang up like a 3D ornament. So I have my epoxy mixing in my mixer from Hobby Lobby. I didn't have good luck doing a big mix in the new Hobby Lobby mixer, so I've got to clean all of that, and I'll do and I'll try it again. But right now I'm using my regular Hobby Lobby mixer, the old one that I've been using for a long time, that I know works fantastic. I don't really have time for my stuff to mess up again. I'm going to use Beach Foam from Glitter Chimp. I'm going to use Dorothy from Glitter Chimp. This pretty color here is from AliExpress. At the time it was number 9. The problem is with AliExpress, things change so often. So I couldn't even tell you, oh, go to this particular seller, because they change storefronts constantly. But this is one of the glitters from AliExpress. I have had nothing but good luck from AliExpress glitter, and no matter which one I've ordered from, I have had really good luck. And I feel like when I look at the colors of these, I think that some people that sell it may actually get theirs from there, because these colors are magnificent. This is one of my favorite browns. And then this is called Cosmic Green. I've had this for a long time, and I think this is from Glitzy Glitter Gal, not sure, but I have gotten this exact same color from AliExpress, just saying. All right, so, and then I've got 4 different cups. I'm going to use a little spoon, as well as some toothpicks. Take a couple out. All right, I mixed up 40 cc's. Hopefully that should be plenty. So we'll see. This is 20 of A and 20 of B, and this one is Hippie Crafter. Make sure you're wearing your gloves and your mask, and you have a ventilated space. I'm going to hold off on my red just yet because I'm not going to put any red in here. So now I just sort of wing this, but I try and do about half as much glitter as epoxy. I have this other, this is called Garden Party, and I've mixed that in here before for a really nice look. So I'll probably do that, not with the original I'm doing of this, but as I add more brown, I'll probably add that to it. Now, this isn't a real like Christmas tree green, and you know, and which I could absolutely use, but this like gives it like an evening kind of look. I like this color a lot. And if I'm gonna stir with the same spoon, I just go light to dark. Now, this is a little thick, which I'm fine with because of where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna start with just a little bit of white. And this will blend so it'll not completely matter how I get it in. Now I have not done one of these yet, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm hoping that this 40 cc's is enough. And I know I always say cc's, and I try to remember to say milliliters. It's just being a nurse, and I've said cc's like for the last 26 years, so it's hard to not, but just so you know, a milliliter and a cc is the exact same equivalent. There's no difference. I'm very excited to see how this is going to come out. So I feel like the 40 cc's was pretty perfect for this. All right, so 40 was absolutely perfect. I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to see how it comes out. So I'll see you when it's done. So our 3D mold is done. Let's see how it turned out. I'm excited. So we got this piece up front. And this is really pretty. There's the back side of it. And then here's the little base. So this is going to go in here. And our little deer, oh, they're so pretty. This looks so good. Oh, look how pretty that turned out. That turned out so nice. So these are definitely too wide. And I didn't overfill it, but these are definitely too wide. But I think that's easy to fix, because the thing is, I was going to, you know, put these on with UV resin anyways. So let's just, you know, to make it secure in there. Right, so this is super cute. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of UV right here, just, you know, just to keep it in place. But this right here is freaking adorable. This is worth the money.